Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can withdraw from Payoneer to your bank account. So the first step that you have to do is to log in your Payoneer. And then once you're here, go ahead and tap on the withdraw and convert. So once you click on that one, you will see here two options. So you just have to click on this one, withdraw to bank. And then in here, you will be asked to withdraw from. So you just have to pick one from here. So in this example, I'm just going to click on here and then tap on next. And then from here, you just have to click on the linked bank account that you have. So let's say, for example, this one, and then tap on next. So in here, you will have the withdraw from USD balance. So you just have to input here the amount and then deposit to this bank right here. So once you scroll down, you will see the next button. So once you tap on next, you will be redirected to the add transaction details. So you just have to add transaction details. And then next is to review all the information. And then next to that is to confirm the transaction. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!